Hi, welcome to your again. This is Teresa, and it's MaryMaxim Monday. The new kit for June has arrived. This kit is the Granny Square cardigan for 2 years old and younger. In my son's case, he wore two before he was two. This is the kit. I was so excited when I opened this because it's so bright and cheerful and so cute. I was actually thinking the first roundabout when I was filming this that I might actually make it larger after I'm done with this one to see how difficult it is. Although that granny square is the one I grew up doing. My mother did that granny square in every single blanket, and she only made blankets when I was older. And she used this granny square whether she made it big or rectangle, because that's what she gave us for a wedding present. I do still have it 37 years later, and I could do this. I'm a little curious about how to do the edging because I always sew them together. I mean the joining, excuse me. I always sew them together, so I will be interested to see how you do that. And then there's a collar and a hem. There are no wrist things. Yeah. But there's a ton of squares. Isn't that cute, though? I saw this and I was like, ooh, that's so cute. And I opened it and took it out of the box so you don't have all that rustling. It's a bag, actually. I apologize. This is a kit from MaryMaxim, as I said. It is the crochet kit of the month. This is the month of June. And it is $16.99 per month with $4.99 shipping in the USA. And there's an affiliate link down below, or you can use the MaryMaxim.com. That's fine. It does help the channel if you go through my link. And the instructions are very good. And there's a close-up of the stitches. And there's a layout pattern, which is good because I think that's the hardest problem, is to figure out the layout, how you want something. I don't like picking colors or picking layouts. Here's the stuff that you get in the kit. You get all these colors, and it's called Caron. I just got a message on right now. Caron Little Critters. And you get 63 yards, I'm assuming, of each. And these are the colors you get in case you want to look at them. And you are recommended a 4mm hook or size for the gauge. I'm just going to use the one that they give me. I don't gauge. And it does show the magic circle. I prefer the magic circle. I get too frustrated with the other one. I can never get it as tight as I want to. And here are the gorgeous colors. You get all these colors. They are soft. Oh, it's all one thing. I'm going to leave them in the thing. This is the brand that it is. It comes in this nifty little project bag, as you see. And in here, right here, you could put your pattern, your needles, your scissors. And you have this in a go bag. It's ready to pick up every time you're ready to work on it. You have sorry, the dog just dropped his ball. You have 1,260 yards of yarn, and it is, I don't know if it's acrylic or not. I don't know. And these are the colors. They're so pretty. You can wash. It's for, you can dry. With children, I would really hope so. There's the directions how to wash and dry. It's stuck in the bag and I didn't want to make too much noise. It is 20% acrylic. Dead air, I'm sorry. 20% acrylic and... No, that's not what that says. It says it's contains 20 acrylic balls. No wonder I couldn't find the 80%. Okay, well, here are the colors that you get. You get all these pretty colors: the pumpkin, the orange, the black, the white, the gray, the brown, the yellow, the green, the olive green, and the hunter green. On the other side, we have the pink, the coral, the rose, the red, the teal, the maroon, dark purple, lavender, blue, dark blue, this is probably navy blue, dark blue, and light blue. All these colors together will make this beautiful project for a 2-year-old in your life. If you join today, I'm sure you could do it probably without the pattern if you know how to make a granny square, but I didn't say that out loud. I appreciate you coming by. If you are an affiliate. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please consider it. And if you could please give this a thumb up and share, it would help my channel grow. And at 500, I will be having a giveaway. And I am almost there. I have 554 family members as of this moment. I'm getting so excited. And once I get to 500, there is going to be a giveaway. Have a great day. Thank you for coming by.